This is Tony Regis reporting from the Philippines. In a recent turn of events, China has just recently gained the trust of the United States and found out that it is now ready to actually exempt China from all the sanctions that it has imposed to countries, both its neighboring friends and their friendly enemies in secret. Having that in mind, it is important to make sure that life will become something that is worth fighting for China. Therefore, China has been given a chance to prove itself by making sure that it will be exempted from a tragic loss of faith and from a tragic loss of gold. China decided to go against the United States and paid up Iran in gold. Being a dependent in the United States dollar's reserves and being a trillion amount of debt, China did not only risk a lot of what it is worth, but it has taken a big risk in order to prove to itself that it is worth the time of the United States. The United States, on the other hand, gave China and the other countries a chance that if they would not only cut their oil imports from Iran, even just for a little or small amount, then they might just consider giving such countries a break. Hence, countries like India, Australia, and even South Korea cut back on their transactions with Iran and reap their benefits. The benefit is that the United States has trusted them and that they would now know what they will do in order to survive. That is, to continue their voyage with Iran with the exemption from the United States. Now that China has also agreed to follow the United States, they also may reap the benefit of a good old refund and a good old exemption from sanctions. After all, life is what China would make it to be, and they just made life easier for them. This is Tony Regis reporting from the Philippines.